We are going to count the turtles tapping in their tuxedos.
Woo! One little turtle on a log by the bay started tapping his shell to brighten the day. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! Two little turtles tapping below a tree, clapping their shells as happy as can be. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! Three little turtles with rhythm so sweet, tapping together with their happy feet. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! Four little turtles join the happy sound, tapping their shells as they dance around. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! Five little turtles, what a lively beat, tapping together, can't stay in their seat. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! Six little turtles tapping side by side, making music that's full of pride. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! Seven little turtles joining the fun, tapping and clapping till the day is done. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! Eight little turtles tapping all around, creating the happiest tapping sound. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! Nine little turtles tapping in a row, putting on quite the tapping show. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! 10 little turtles tapping loud and clear, singing and tapping for all to hear. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo! 10 tapping turtles on a log in the sun, counting together is so much fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count the tapping turtles once again. Tap, tap, tippy, tippy, tap, tap, woo!
What are we going to do now, Boppleberry?